First of all, we acknowledge the presence of our pilgrims from Sabah, Malaysia, from the Archdiocese of Kota Kinabalu. So in behalf of our Rector, Monsignor Rolly de la Cruz, and our Vice Rector, Father Biel, no? We welcome you to the Mother Church, the Manila Cathedral. Welcome po. And we are blessed, no, by your visit. My dear brothers and sisters, today we celebrate the feast of Saint Bartholomew, aka Nathaniel. So, Nathaniel and Saint Bartholomew is the same person. I know you want to know the saint that we celebrate today. We look on books, especially Book of Saints, to know his life. Nabasa ko po yung konti, pero ang naka-antig sa akin ay yung kanyang kamatayan. Binalatan siya ng buhay. No? That's how he faced his death as a martyr. Of course, being faithful to the gospel, being faithful to the Lord. But to know this saint, my dear brothers and sisters, we need only to ask Jesus what he thought of Bartholomew. Here's what he said about him. He is a true child of Israel, or he is a true Israelite. There is no duplicity in him. Jesus is showing us in the gospel today an example of a man who says yes and means yes, and no, he means no. In other words, Bartholomew was a straight person. He spoke the truth straight. Even if someone or somehow it would make people uneasy. This was what happened when his brother Philip told him about Jesus from Nazareth. Bartholomew promptly replied, "Can anything good come from Nazareth?" That's Bartholomew as far as he was concerned. There was really nothing spectacular that happened in Nazareth before Jesus, of course. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus acknowledges this truth coming from Bartholomew, and he wants us to be like the saint that we celebrate today, to let our yes be yes. Put in other contexts, we cannot pray in the church, but outside, it will live like unbelievers. Following Jesus means allowing him to control all parts at all times and everything in our lives. We cannot live as half Christians and half pagans. There can be no duplicity in us. And so as we celebrate the feast of Saint Bartholomew, make us like you, No? Let us like Him in following the Lord. There is no duplicity in us.